Good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is a new one, that is proportion. Proportion, you have read them from the very beginning, but I will try to explain in my own way. Otherwise, I know that you have already gone through them. Please wait. What has gone with this? Yes. That is, you have to remember that proportion actually it is combination of two words, that is pre and position. 1 second. Pre and position. Pre means before, and position is known to you that which shows a position, relation. Actually, this proportion, it shows the position or relation of a noun with other parts of speech in the sentence. As you know, it is known to you that there are so many parts of speech in the sentence: verb, noun, adjective. It shows the relation. For example, this is my bag and this is the marker. It shows relation between this bag and this marker. For example, this marker is on the bag, this marker is in the bag, this marker is in front of the bag, under the bag, behind the bag, above the bag, on the bag, below the bag. That is, it shows the relation of a noun with other parts of speeches in the sentences. That is, a proportion is one of the parts of speech that correlates between two different words or phrases. Also, I told you that phrase is combination of the words. Usually mostly it shows us time and place, mostly. And other things also, but mostly these. These are some phrases you can see yourself. These proportions: add, before, behind, below, beside is between. You have to take the screenshots because proportions are limitless, infinite. So it is not possible that I will teach all the proportions. I will give you the concept, the gist of important proportions. Otherwise, you have to memorize them, you have to remember them. Please take the screenshots. That will help you. I hope that you will take the screenshots or you will pause the video. And as I told you, proportion is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words or elements in the rest of the sentence. I have already told you this. These are the proportions. Yes. For example, here we will see the relation with this box and the ball. This ball is behind the box. This ball is in front of the box. This ball is next to the box. This ball is between the two boxes. This ball is near the box. This ball is above, not on, because there is space above the box. This ball is below the box. This ball is in the box. This ball is on, that is in touch with the box. Please take it a screenshot. Be quick, take it a screenshot because it will change. Take the screenshots of all the slides because that will be helpful for you. Take the screenshots. Take the screenshots. I hope that you have taken the screenshots and they will help you. Once again, repeated. Take the screenshot. Those who have not taken the screenshot, because I already told you that these are limitless. There are too many these proportions. I can't explain all. I will give the gist of some. Take the screenshots. This is N is used with time, these are proportions of proportional phrases. Some proportions are always used with some words. We cannot change them. They cannot give them the meaning. I told you that a phrase that is combination of two or more words, and that has its own meaning. For example, in is used with those words: in time, in demand, off focus, in approach, in answer to. On is used with those words: on watch, on schedule, on the record, on the road, on oath. At is used with those words: at high speed, at risk, at one side, at a fraction of. By is used with those words: by chance, by the name of, by luck, by accident, by out is used with those words: out of passion, out of point, out of step, out of breath. This is, you have to remember them. In the same way, the use of in, on and at, these are mostly posed in the examination. With the centuries, with the years, we use in, that is in 20th century, in 1960, in 2020, in winter, in March, in the morning, with the period of the time. We also use in morning, in afternoon, in evening. On is used with dates or with months. On May 16 or 6th, on 1st January, on Christmas days also we use on Sunday, on weekend, on Monday morning, on New Year's Eve, on my birthday. At is used with time, at 7 o'clock, at 6:30, at lunch time, at midday, at midnight, at night, at weekend, at Christmas. These are other proportions. I always say, please take the screenshots. These are other, they are important ones. Please take the screenshots. This is probably what we have already done. Yes, this is another list. Please take the screenshots. Today I have told you to take more screenshots, because I already told you that proportions are limitless. We are not able to dictate all the proportions. Common proportions, these are used in our day-to-day life. About, according to. Yes, these are, that is under, with, after. These are important proportions. Please take the screenshot. Probably we have done this. At reception, at the side, in car, in taxi, under the tree. This shows the position. On a bus, on the way, below the surface. You have to remember them. There is no particular formula. If there had been a formula, I have a proportion of place in the sentences. Yes. Definition and types of proportions. I have already told you that proportions are the words that we put before nouns or pronouns. I have already told you this. These denote in what the relation the person or the thing indicates by it exists in relation to something else. Yani they show the relation. Types, you have to remember this, that these are the types of the proportions. Simple proportion, double proportion, compound, phrasal, participle, disguised, detached. These are the types of the proportions. Simple means where there is one, in, on, at. Double means where there are two, but they are in combined form. Compound also means two. Compound also means one, but combination of two. That is above, about, across. Phrasal means where there are more words. Participle means where there is in form. Disguised means those proportions not used directly, but their shorter forms are used, e.g. a, o. Sometimes they are also used as proportions. Detached proportions does not come before it is objective. It is detached from the objective, and they doesn't come before the objective. These are important ones. In the focus, on the focus, under, next to, behind, in front of, between. I have already told you this. These are some important ones. Please take the screenshots. This is also proportion of movement. Yes, this is important. Sometimes proportion shows the movement also. That is, one means inside something, and other means inside the box. It shows that is somebody has gone inside the box, under the box, on the box, and above the box. That it shows relation. It shows movement also. Behind the box, near the box, in front of the box, between the box, up or down the box, over the box, movement also. Through the box, along the box, past the box, to the box, away from box, into the box, out of box, around the box. It shows also movement. These are important ones. Yes, take it a screenshot. This is good one. I hope that now the concept of the proportions has been come to your mind, linking like a hook and eye in out. These are the proportions in this poem. You can see yourself. Three groups of proportions. I have told you place. Some shows the place, some shows the position, some shows direction, some shows time. There are exceptions also. They are always followed by noun proportion. You can see noun proportion. This is noun proportion, proper noun. These are also proportions at home, in the house, on the corner. These are proportions of place. Location, time and movement. Location means above, that is position. This time, after, before, by, during, from, on, past, since, through, till, upon. Movement, we show the movement against, along, down, from. Yes, you can understand also with the help of this. That is down the stairs, up the stairs, out of box, in the box. In the box, you can see also this. I hope that you have understood. Still, if you have any doubt, and please say me. I think that this is sufficient today. Still, if you have any doubt, please say me. Set the feedback. Feedback is necessary. Feedback is compulsory. I always say you that feedback is compulsory. And also, as it is known to you that I work hard for you. You have told you for making the video upon this proportion, and I have tried my level best to give you the video. But I hope that you will share my channel with others also, so that they will also be benefited. And also you will subscribe and you will write the comments. A proportion is a word or a phrase. They precedes a pronoun. I already told you that it precedes a pronoun, noun, or a noun phrase to indicate time, location, direction, relation, and place. Examples of proportion. I told you rules of proportion. A proportion must connect an object. It connects the object. If a proportion lacks an object, it ceases to be a proportion instead. At that time we cannot say that this is proportion. Object form after proportion. The pronoun or the noun that comes after the proportion form. Proportion means place before. I already told you, I have shown you the example. The name proportion shows that. These are some more. I always say to take the screenshots today. These are the proportions. These are more proportions. I hope that verb and proportional list, that is to, far, from, on, at, above. Please take the screenshots once again. I think that this is now sufficient, because the lecture will become then too much long. But once again I say that please subscribe the channel and please share it and write the feedback. Feedback is necessary, feedback is compulsory. As you know that I tried my level best. Today there is no doubt that I have told you for taking more screenshots, because this is, you have to remember this one is good. Yes, thanks Assalamu alaikum. Thanks. Hope that you have understood today. Thanks.